Look, it is no secret that the Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 26th of July, which usually means that anyone can buy all products including the Tab S9, Tab S9 Plus and Ultra that have been presented during that event. And usually going by past events, we're talking about anything up to 4 weeks for the release date. But hang on. I have the exact release date here for you right now, so you can plan ahead for your purchase/upgrade. And no, before you say something, it's not me or anyone else putting their finger up in the air to see what comes out of it. No. It's much deeper than that. There's that one big online store that has accidentally leaked everything. Although we have an online store with awesome merchandise that keeps our channel sponsorship free, no, it wasn't us who leaked that information. It was much bigger than that. It was Amazon. Yep, you heard correctly. It was Amazon. When you look at those pictures, you will exactly see which Tab S9 version will be available to buy. Colors, configurations, you name it. But also when you look at closely, all of them include the Samsung book cover in the pricing, which is pretty sweet. I guess that's kind of making up for in price increase, right? Now, look at the pictures again. Here you can see the release date. It says Friday the 18th of August, which is the day any Tab S9 will be shipped officially. But please bear in mind, all the pricing you see right here, it's taken off the Canadian Amazon website, so it is Canadian dollars. Until next time, peace out.